Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need about 5 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a 16mm socket, and a torque wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and warm up the engine for a few minutes to help the oil drain easily. Now, let's drain the old oil. Get under your Santa Fe Sport and locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 16mm bolt on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Slowly loosen and remove the drain plug, letting the used engine oil flow into the pan. Allow at least 10 to 15 minutes for all the oil to drain out thoroughly. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and drain plug. Locate and remove the old oil filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter, then hand tighten it until snug, followed by a quarter turn, aiming for about 10 foot-pounds. Install the drain plug with a fresh crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds. Finally, let's add the fresh oil and perform our final checks. Carefully pour about 5 quarts of the recommended 5W30 full synthetic oil into the engine's filler cap. Replace the cap, then start your engine for a minute or two to circulate the oil and check for any leaks. Turn off the engine, wait about 10 minutes for the oil to settle, then use the dipstick to confirm the oil level is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.